everyone! Today we are going to learn how to write q sound. And for writing q sound, we have to start it from the first middle line and we have to make a raindrop. Okay? Make a raindrop, go underwater and back fish hook. If you remember, for g we have made a fish hook this side. But when we make in underwater, when we make it like this, we call it back fish hook. Okay? And as this is a perfect formation, so I'm going to give it a smiley face. Yes? Now let's write it one more time. Make a raindrop, go underwater and back fish hook. Oh, this formation is good, but I have started it from the top line. I have to take it underwater. Yes. So I have to give it a sad face. Now let's write it one more time. Make a raindrop, go underwater and back fish hook. Okay. This time my q has went on the right side of the slant line. Again, this is not a perfect one. So I have to give it a sad face. Now let's write it one more time, and this time I'm going to make it a perfect one. Make a raindrop, go underwater and make the back fish hook. Wow, this is a perfect one. So I am happily going to give it a smiley face. This is how we have learned to write q sound today. Happy writing!